Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're taking a white label supplement catalog and literally transforming it into your step-by-step roadmap for launching a custom health brand. You know, if you've ever stood in a store and wondered exactly how those beautifully branded, highly targeted wellness products actually make it from just a concept into a consumer's hands, well, you're in exactly the right place. Let's get into it.
So, to start us off, we really need to look at why gummies are causing such a massive shift in the market right now. I mean, for decades, the supplement industry was totally defined by giant, chalky pills, right? But gummies, they completely replaced that absolute chore with a fun, easy, and honestly, highly sensory daily habit. When you're building a brand, you want your customers to actually look forward to taking your product. And this delivery method, it's exactly how you achieve that kind of incredible daily retention.
Here's our quick roadmap for the explainer today. We'll start with the gummy advantage, then look at functional formulations, move into traditional packaging options, explore alternative packaging formats, and finally, wrap up with getting ready for the market.
Okay, part 1, the gummy advantage. We're going beyond basic nutritional benefits here.
This quote right here really hits the nail on the head. Gummies win because they offer this delightful sensory experience that basically turns a healthy choice into a treat rather than a task. You know, it's not just about the vitamins inside, it's about the vibrant colors, that satisfying texture, and obviously the great taste. By offering this whole holistic sensory experience, you're not just selling a supplement, you're literally selling an enjoyable little moment in your customer's morning routine.
Moving right along to part 2, functional formulations. This is all about curating your wellness menu.
Now, looking at the catalog, it's pretty amazing. You'll see 4 distinct, brightly colored gummies, and they are tailored for entirely different wellness goals. You aren't just limited to your basic, everyday multivitamins here. You can actually build a highly specialized product line straight from this pre-formulated menu. It lets you instantly align with major trends in the health space, and the best part? You don't even have to hire a team of scientists to do it.
Let's actually break down the hard specs, because honestly, this is where the real value lies. We're looking at serious nutritional credibility. Notice the exact standardization here. You get 5% with analydes, which is the active compound in ashwagandha, in that yellow pineapple gummy. And the green apple probiotic? It doesn't just taste good. It packs 1 billion CFU of heat-stable bacteria, plus 150 milligrams of prebiotic inulin to actually feed that good bacteria. You've also got 250 milligrams of marine collagen, plus Q-CoTen and biotin in the mixed berry option, and pure creatine monohydrate in the blueberry. So these are scientifically backed dosages, all wrapped up in a delicious package. So what does this all mean? The crucial takeaway here is that you can cater to 2 entirely different worlds from the exact same supply chain. On one hand, you can target a hardcore fitness audience with a super convenient creatine gummy. No loading, no mixing, no messy powders. But on the other hand, you can target a stressed-out professional with a pineapple ashwagandha gummy designed for emotional balance and stress resilience without any sort of sedative effect. It really all comes down to who you want your brand to speak to.
All right, part 3, traditional packaging options. It's time to start crafting your brand's physical identity.
You can really see the stark contrast in your packaging options here. On one side, you've got the classic, highly trusted aesthetic of rigid bottles and wide-mouthed jars. You know, these look fantastic sitting on a pharmacy shelf or a bathroom counter. But on the other side, we have the modern, flexible appeal of bags and sticks. Choosing between these formats is what's ultimately going to dictate whether your brand feels like a premium apothecary product or maybe more of a trendy, on-the-go lifestyle brand.
If you do decide to go the traditional route, building your custom bottle is this beautifully simple modular process. First up, select your volume, anywhere from a compact 150 milliliter bottle right up to 400 milliliters. Next, you choose your material base. You can do crisp white, sleek black, clear transparent, or my personal favorite, an elevated glass version. And finally, you pick your cap finish. You can cap it off with standard tones or go for premium metallic gold and silver finishes. It's honestly a lot like building a custom car, but, for your wellness brand.
Let's shift gears to part 4, alternative packaging formats. These are modern solutions for on-the-go consumers. You have some incredibly versatile choices here if you're targeting that modern consumer. You could opt for flexible bags, which range from a standard 200 milliliters all the way up to massive 2-liter bulk pouches, and those come in both aluminum and eco-friendly recyclable materials. Now, if your brand is all about travel and convenience, the single-serve 5 to 15-gram sticks are absolutely perfect. And to tie the whole shebang together, everything can be perfectly packaged in custom 250 to 300-gram paper boxes. Those can actually be adjusted to fit whichever container, bottles, jars, sticks, or sachets you end up choosing.
And finally, Part 5. Ready for the market? Let's navigate the logistics and order quantities.
I've got to say, this is perhaps the most exciting number in the entire catalog, 500. That is a highly accessible minimum order quantity to easily get your private label brand off the ground. In the manufacturing world, minimums are usually this massive barrier to entry. But at just 500 pieces, you can test the market, truly validate your brand idea, and actually start generating revenue without risking massive amounts of capital. Plus, better pricing unlocks at just 1,000 pieces.
Now, just keep in mind, while those standard black, white, and transparent packaging options are incredibly easy to start with, scaling up does have its own rules. Unlocking a completely unique, special, custom-colored bottle or jar, say one that precisely matches your brand's specific Pantone color, that's going to require a steeper 10,000-piece commitment. But hey, it's a realistic target and a really great goal to aim for as your brand successfully scales up.
It is an absolutely incredible time to launch a custom supplement line. The friction between having a great idea and actually putting a physical product on a shelf has literally never been lower. So, the only question left to answer is this. With all these functional formulations and beautiful packaging options right at your fingertips, what kind of unique wellness brand are you going to build?